Hello everyone, welcome to Master Azerbaijani. Today is a weekly recap day. Let's see what did we learn this week. We learned a lot of yummy stuff. Let's see. Pomidor, tomato plant. Meyvə, fruit, or figuratively result. İçmək, to drink, to consume a beverage. Xiyar, cucumber or idiot, figuratively. Təzə, for fresh and new. Tərəvəz, for veggies. And yemek, of course, either food or to eat. Ready? Dad joke uses. While Terevez eating is not my favorite part of the food, I try to get through it with some courage and squeeze of lemon. Don't bring khiyars to my party. My brain told me to stop overthinking and get some coffee each make. The smell of Təzə coffee just marched into the room like it owns the place. I need to pause my video call for Yemək because multitasking with noodles is a risky sport. Quiz time? Which word also means idiot? Drop in the comments below and make sure to come back next week for a new set of words. Remember, consistency is fluency. I'll see you tomorrow for a new set of words. Until then, check masterazerbaijan.com for more.